So here we have the brain for group 2, and starting off we have the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, the parietal lobe, and the occipital lobe in the back. So all of that makes up the cerebrum, and then this separate chunk is the cerebellum. So then when you flip it over, we have the thalamus is this circle, and so underneath it is the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is behind the optic nerve, and the olfactory bulb would be hanging off here. And so then back here behind the thalamus we have the midbrain, then we have the pons, the medulla, and the brainstem. And so you notice that each of these are separate by just a little indent. So moving on, we have the corpus callosum, the septum in here. Then we have the pineal body or pineal gland, the superior cholecoccus and inferior cholecoccus, and the pituitary gland would be hanging off kind of back here. And then for the areas of the brain, Broca's region would be kind of in the front. The motor area would be this strip here. The sensory area would be kind of behind it. And then Wernicke's area would be in the back. And so the way I remember that is alphabetical order goes B for Broca, M for motor, S for sensory, and W for Wernicke. And the last thing that you will need to know is the gyrus versus the sulcus. So the gyrus is the part that sticks up, and the sulcus is the part where it sticks in.